Hey everyone, in this video I will teach you how to create info card slider in WordPress. You can create this to display any instructions. We have used Editor Plus and code snippets. Let's get started. I have a group with a background color. Now add a group inside this group. Set a background color. Then go to border radius. Set 15 pixel border radius. Then go to padding. Set 48 pixel padding from all sides. Now go to sizing. Set max with 400 pixel. Then open margin panel. Set left and right margin to auto by clicking the checkbox. Let's add some box shadow. Now add a group inside this group. Add one more group inside this group. Set this group to stack. Then add an image block inside this group. Select an image. Then add a heading block after the image. Add heading text. Go to typography. Set typography. Now add a paragraph block. Add paragraph content. Set typography. Now open a list view. Select and stack. Go to Advanced tab. Add a class called Info Slide. Select an heading. Change alignment to center. Select an paragraph. Align center as well. Now duplicate this stack and change the content. These stacks work as a slides. You can create as many slides as you want by duplicating this. Now select the first stack, go to Advanced tab, add a class called Active Slide. Now select the upper group, go to Advanced tab, add a class called Info Slider. Now add a buttons block to create next and previous buttons. Add previous text. Set a background color. Then set a typography. Then add border radius 5 pixel. Now go to padding, click on Advanced tab. Set top and bottom padding to 10 pixel and left right 23 pixel. Let's duplicate the button, change the text to next. Then go to Advanced tab. Add a class called next. Then select the previous button, add a class called prev. Now select the buttons from list view. Set justification to space between. Now publish the page. Go to dashboard. Go to code snippets. Enable and open JavaScript snippet. Paste JavaScript code here. You can find all the code in the video description. Click on Save button. Then go to Editor plus Settings. Click on Advanced tab. Paste CSS code here. Click on Save button. Go to Front End. Click on Navigations. Work perfectly. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe Gutenberg Hub.